Hi, this is Dr. Lisa with the Pet Butler team, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about senior pet issues, specifically mobility issues and how we can help accommodate them as they get older. So with everybody receiving great veterinary care and lots of love and attention, our pets are living longer. We know that around 7 years old is when we say that our pets are entering their senior years. Because they are living longer, we are seeing more mobility issues and problems with them getting around. It taxes the body and the mind and certainly those that love them, and we want to make sure that their quality of life remains good. The things that we see predominantly that might give us some clues that they're experiencing pain and discomfort would be urinating around the house or having bowel movements, accidents inside the home, and interacting. We even see changes in interactions with loved ones and kind of an upset to their normal routines. Grooming can be painful for pets with mobility issues and degenerative disease. Social dynamics in the household can also change a little bit as we start to see maybe the pet that was a little more dominant in the household take a back seat to maybe one of the younger animals that's a little more rambunctious. Some basic things that we can do around the house to improve their mobility, their comfort levels, and support them as they age would to provide some traction control devices. So that may be something as simple as yoga mats or runners around the house. Pets that have mobility issues have a harder time in things like wood floors or tile floors. There's a product out there called Dr. Busby's toe grips that can be put on their nails. It also provides a little traction control, so that's something you can do to help aid them. The other thing that you really need to be concerned about is grooming those little Grinch feet, we call them. They're fuzzy fur feet. When they've got tufts of hair in between the toes, it can provide a real slippery surface for them. So making sure you're using some beard trimmers or some, just regular hair clippers, you can kind of get in between their toes or have the groomer pay special attention to those areas so they're not slipping and sliding. The other thing that we want to consider is access to water. A lot of times dogs with mobility issues are going to get dehydrated a little more easily because they're not at their water bowl as often. Likewise, pets that are seniors may have issues with diabetes or renal disease that require them to be upping their water intake. So making sure that we've got fresh water available throughout the home that's readily accessible. You can also elevate it a little bit. Dogs that have cervical neck pain, arthritis there, really appreciate having those water and food bowls elevated. It provides a lot more comfort for them. Stairs, a lot of times we try and provide kind of one level living for these guys. So if you can have most of their bedding, again, food and water bowls on one level so that they can access them and not have to climb those stairs multiple times a day, that'll help with their comfort level. You can also purchase harnesses or slings. I like the Help 'em Up harness, or you can even use something like a beach towel just to help support their hind end as they're going up and down stairs or ramps to go outside. When they go outside, we're seeing that a lot of pets won't completely eliminate. So you may want to provide them more opportunities to go out. It can be painful for them to get in the position to go to the bathroom successfully. So lots of ins and outs. A dog door is fine if you want to do that. Otherwise, just be accommodating. Sometimes a pet sitter can stop by midday to give them ample opportunity to use the outdoors. Other people will use puppy pads or artificial turf as sort of an indoor potty situation so that dogs that are having more trouble using those stairs still have opportunity to do the right thing. I mentioned pain medication and anti-inflammatory drugs. There's natural supplements that can be started, such as glucosamine and chondroitin, but it's best to always consult with your veterinary team if you think that your pet might be having some pain or mobility issues, and let's get them on the right track as comfortable as possible so that they can age gracefully. Thank you.